Prepare a standard shopping campaign that will be converted into a feed-only Performance Max campaign. Go to Campaigns, Experiments, Performance Max Experiments. Create a new experiment of the type Test versus Shopping Campaign. Select your standard shopping campaign. Make sure that Create Campaign for Me setting is selected. Click Next, Schedule. You will see the experiment status change to Creating Campaign followed by In Progress. Have a break. Come back next day and open Campaign Experiments again. Next to your experiment, you will see the Apply button. Click Apply and Confirm. Open the campaigns view and observe the new Pmax campaign with empty assets.